hands together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Set your intention. Alright, let's come to our hands and knees. We're going to begin with a couple of series of vinyasas. Vinyasas, Surya Namaskar A and then Surya Namaskar B. Okay, but first let's come to hands and knees. And circle your hips to one direction. And then to the other direction. And then forward and back, forward and back. Coming back to neutral position. Inhale, slide your chest forward, head up. And exhale, round your spine. Pull the navel in towards the spine. And again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, open. Keep this opening. Press your toes under and begin to lift the hips up high towards the sky. Relax the head. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a breathe out through your mouth. And let's start to create the fire. So walk your feet to your hands one by one. Then inhale, lengthen, look forward, and exhale, fold. Grab your elbows. Find the weight being equally distributed between the four corners of your feet. Really rooting down as if your feet were like the roots of the tree. Yeah, grounding down. Relax your arms. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. And begin to roll up into your standing position. Let's begin with a round one. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. And step the feet back. Lower down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. We hold it here for 5 breaths. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Bend the knees. Step or jump. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring the arms back to the sides. Let's do second round. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Step the feet back. Full exhale as you lower down. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Remember that if this is too much, you can always do child's pose and bring the knees down. 2, 3, full breaths. 4, and 5. Bend the knees, gaze forward. Step or jump. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up, stretching up. Really stretch like you mean it. And arms by the sides. Exhale. And again, another round. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 breaths here. 1, 4, and 5. Bend the knees. Look at where you're going. It's always important to look forward and then jump. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stretching it up. And exhale, arms by the sides. Now we're gonna do Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. If you jump back, bend the knees and then send the feet back. Like that. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now step the right foot forward. Warrior 1. Inhale. And again, exhale, lower down. Chaturanga Dandasana, knees down or not. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Inhale, step the left foot forward. The back foot is in a diagonal. Inhale, take your arms up. And then exhale, lowering back down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward. Feel your elbows by your sides. Exhale, downward. We hold it here for 5 breaths again. Remember, if you feel like you need to drop your knees down, drop them down. Breathe through the back of your legs. Really visualize the line of energy from the feet, the heels, up to all the way up to the seat bones and down. And we come forward, bend the knees, step or jump. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, back into chair, really bending those knees. And then coming back into standing, arms by the sides. Another round of this. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right foot steps forward. Warrior 1. Really bending the front knee. Lower down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left foot steps forward on the inhale. Your arms come up. On the exhale, nice control movement. Don't just go down and up fast. Inhale and exhale. 5 breaths. 1, 2. Suck the belly in. 3. Relax the head. 4. And 5. And again, step or jump forward. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. And come to standing, arms by the sides. Exhale. Now we're going to stretch the sides of the body. So inhale, reach your arms up. Release your left arm down. And the right arm stretches up. Side into your left side. Really feeling that stretch on the right side of your body from the foot to the fingers, like a half moon. You're sending your hips to the right. It's a little windy too. Very windy. And release. Okay, other side. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Really stretching it up. Already begin the length. And then exhale as you side bend. Now you're stretching your left side. You're using your thighs. Don't let the butt go back. Just pull the navel in. Pelvis forward. Just feel a nice stretch from the foot. And release. Check it out. Now separate the feet. Hip width distance apart from each other. Grab your hips, inhale, lengthen. And then exhale, fold forward. Grab your big toes. Take a length because we always want to look for length. And then we fold. We're going to hold it here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold. Very nice. Plant your palms down and step the feet back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale upward and exhale downward. Now lift your right leg up high towards the sky. Look forward and step the foot forward. Warrior 2. So coming up, cartwheel your arms to warrior 2. Look at your right middle finger. Anchor your feet. Anchor them. Use all of your toes to press down. Turn your right palm up and send the arm back for a reverse. We're gonna do this 3 times. On the exhale, elbow to the thigh. Left arm stretches. And again, inhale. Exhale. Keep pressing on your back foot. Inhale. Exhale, helicopter the arms, step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. Same leg. Inhale, reach the right leg up. This time bring the knee to the right elbow as you exhale. Hold it. Yes, hold it. That's the fire. hold it. Inhale, send the leg up and step it forward and come again to warrior two. Same thing. Only one time. Inhale, right arm back, straighten the front leg to come into triangle. Exhale, hold it here. Remember, every time you hold a posture, we're not just holding, right? So much activation from within. Really feel that fascia inside your body, connecting the muscles. Activate your muscles and stretch. There's a push and pull effect in every posture. Excellent. Slowly come up, all the way up. Very nice. Bring your hands to the hips. Pivot your right foot. Inhale, open, and then exhale, fold forward. Grab the ankles as you fold. Bring the hands to the floor. Inhale, lengthen, gaze forward, and walk your hands to your left foot. Now we face the other side of the mat, and we take our Vinyasa here. Send the left foot back, lowering down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. We hold it here for 5 breaths. If you need to. If you need to bring your knees down, bring them down. Now lift your left leg up high towards the sky. Look forward and very slowly, gently, try to not to make noise with your front foot to step it forward. Come into warrior two. Inhale. Now take your time to find your warrior two. Look at your left middle finger. Stretch through your arms. Soften the face. Now 3 times we turn the left palm up and we send it back as we reverse. And then on the exhale we bring the elbow to the thigh. And then we go back again. Inhale, 2. Exhale. Round 3. Inhale. Cartwheel your arms and step back to Vinyasa. Left foot back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. You're doing great, I bet. I can feel it. Very nice. Left leg up towards the sky, same leg. Knee to left elbow as you exhale and hold it. This is where we're creating the hip. Pull the navel in. You make it a little angry. That's okay. Keep pressing the floor with your hands. This is where it's at. Inhale, left leg up. And then slowly step it forward to warrior two. Once again. On the inhale. Arms up. 1 time, turn your left palm up, reverse, come to triangle, exhale, stretch your right arm. Feeling everything with every breath. Beautiful. Slowly inhale, come up. Very nice. Grab your hips. Pivot your left foot. And once again, we inhale, lengthen. And then exhale, fold. Hands on the outside of your ankles. create length, and then fold for 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your hands into the floor, inhale, lengthen. This time walk your hands over to your right. And step again back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Take your Vinyasa. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. We hold it for 5 breaths. 1. Press every knuckle of your fingers. 2. Sing the heart. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, reach the right leg up. On the exhale, step it forward. And slide your back foot even further back. Very nice. Heel to the right, foot to the right a couple of times. Bring both hands on the inside of your foot. And you can stay here, or you can bring your forearms down if that's a possibility. For me, it's not, so I'm not going to bring them down. Just keep your hands down if you're like me today. And hold it here. Maybe do a little gentle circles with your hip to open. Now send the right leg back again to plank. Side plank, your left arm comes up. Yes, you can bring your knee down if you prefer for support, or lift the knee up for challenge. You can even lift your left leg up. If you have the leg up, maybe you can step the foot down and create a little opening here, wild thing. Grab your head with your hand. And then come back to your Chaturanga Dandasana, lower down. Inhale upward. And exhale downward facing dog. Alright, same leg. Inhale, lift the right leg up. But keep it up. Bend the knee. Heel to sit bones. Turn your head so you're looking through your right armpit. And keep going. Releasing the foot down until you come into your wheel position here. Grab your head with your hand. Don't let your hip sink down. Lift them up. And now we're gonna step the foot forward. You can bring your right hand down if you need to warrior 2. Told you we were gonna create some heat. Very nice. Turn your right palm up, send it back, reverse. On the exhale, come to triangle. Inhale, come with the arms back up again. This time bend the knee. Come to your extended side angle. Right hand on the inside. Left arm stretches up. Slowly come back up. Straighten in the leg. Pivot your right foot. Arms back. Interlace the fingers. Lengthen. And then exhale. Fold. To the hips and then to the floor. Inhale, lengthen. Walk your hands over to your left side. And take your optional vinyasa. Remember, vinyasas are optional. We all meet in downward. You can take child's pose if you prefer. Take an inhale through your nose. Exhale, let something go. Inhale, lift the left leg up high towards the sky. Step it forward. Bring your back foot a little bit further back. Heel to the foot to the left. Bring both hands on the inside. And breathe through it. You can bring your forearms down. You can use books like a block. Find stillness. Can you still the mind too? Alright, beautiful. Let's take the leg back. Side plank. Right arm reaches up. Again, remember your options. Knee down. Or right leg up. Or bend the knee and the foot comes down for wild thing. Maybe grab your head. Beautiful, and then slowly, let's take a vinyasa while I process. Left leg up high towards the sky. Bend the knee, look to your left armpit. And now, if you're ready, bring the foot down for another wheel. Beautiful. Look forward and then step the left foot forward. Yes, the left foot forward for warrior 2. Inhale. Yes, turn your left palm up. I think it's coming back. Send it back. Reverse. Triangle. Exhale. Extend the front leg. Reach your right arm up. Beautiful. Come back up on the inhale. Bend your left knee. Bring your left hand down for extended side angle. We're almost over, guys. You're doing great. Just keep doing. And then slowly come up. Very nice. Pivot your left foot. Arms back. Interlace the fingers. And then exhale. Fold forward. Activate your inner thighs. Now, bring your hands on your hips. Inhale, lengthen, and then slowly come up. Very nice. Now we're gonna turn to the left. The feet and the hips and the chest. And you have variations. You can have your hands on your hips, Or you can do reverse prayer. Behind your back. Or grab your elbows. Keep the front leg straight. Now as we face forward, we open the chest and then we bow forward. If you have reverse prayer, keep pressing those palms together, the wrists. And then slowly come up. Turn your feet. Now we go to the other side. So we turn the feet and the hips and the chest, everything. Everything in one line. Inhale, lengthen. And then exhale, fold. Alright, bring your hands to the floor. Inhale, lengthen. And step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower down. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing dog for 5 breaths. 1. 4 and 5. Inhale, plank and lower down slowly all the way down. For our spinal lifts, we're going to send the right arm forward and the left arm back. Lift your left leg up and inhale, lift your chest and arm up. Stretch the opposites. Very, very stretching here. And exhale, release. Bring your right ear down. Relax. Let your shoulders melt. And here it's been a little bit cooler than usual. But today is getting warmer, so it feels really, really nice. So nice when the sun comes out after so many days of cloudy days. Okay, bring your chin down. Send your left arm forward. Don't lift the head yet. Lift your right leg up. Point the toes, stretch it back. Activate your thigh. And lift your chest, arm, everything. Now keep pressing your right shoulder down and back. And then slowly release. This time bring your left ear down. Relax. Now bring your chin down, bend your knees, grab the outside of your ankles, squeeze those inner thighs together, inhale, lift, just do your best here, keep opening your heart to lift up. And then slowly release. Bring the right ear down and relax. Let that go. So in yoga practice is something like the analogy of life. And every posture becomes like a situation, and sometimes it can be easy or sometimes it can be challenging. But if you notice, in every posture you are breathing, you're applying the principles of yoga, of staying present, on not overreacting. Bring your chin down, and we're gonna do it again. So bend the knees, grab the outside of your ankles, and you're gonna kick your legs back like your feet are pulling your arms back. Squeeze those inner thighs, don't let them go outside. Keep everything in the midline. Release. This time bring your left ear down and relax. Bring your chin down and let's do upward facing dog on the inhale. And child's pose on the exhale. Inhale, come to all fours. Cross your ankles, sit back. Very nice. Before we go to the floor, we're going to do bow pose. So lift your legs up, both, and then lift your hands up. If you need to bend the knees, legs together. Look at your toes. Smile. I hope you are smiling. And then slowly release all the way down, relax. Bring your hands on your belly button, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Very nice. Now, bring your right knee in towards your chest. Interlace the fingers and pull it in like your knee wants to touch your right elbow. Tuck the chin in. Point the left toes. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Great posture for digestion and elimination. Don't let that go yet. And release. Very nice. Other leg. Bring your left knee in. Pull it in. Use your strength and your force of your fingers, preventing arthritis. And release. Now both knees in, come towards the chest. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Like give yourself a tight, tight hug. Release the arms. And now just send your legs up. Now you can stay here for about 13 breaths, or you can do shoulder stand. Lift the hips up, grab them with your hands. Keep the legs together, don't let them separate. Close your eyes. And you can stay here as long as you want. If you're ready, you can send your legs back to plow. You may interlace your fingers. This is a very nice, this is the deepest folding forward bend. And then slowly coming back the way we came in. Hug your knees in. Rock side to side. Send your arms to the sides. Bring your knees over to your left side. Turn your head to the right. And then slowly bring your knees back to the center. And then over to the right. Turn your head to the left. So every posture, sometimes in yoga we create difficult little situations in the postures. But the more you practice yoga, then you can apply those principles in the real world. So there's really no difference whether you're practicing a posture or you are at the supermarket or you are at work. Everything in life becomes like a posture. Everything is momentary, and we accept everything as a gift, as an opportunity. Slowly bring your knees back to the center, hug the knee, lift your head up, lift your chest up, everything up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. Come into your Shavasana, final relaxation. Keep laying down. Close your eyes. Turn the palms facing up. And just melt your heart down. I always use, as an example, I always use the yogis that I used to teach at headquarters. And I use their example because I used to teach them in a space where there was a lot of noise, a lot of noise. We had to make a little room for our yoga practice where people were running in the treadmill, people were doing weights and just dropping the weights, and it was very noisy, and I didn't have a microphone, so they didn't even hear me well. And it was a tiny space, really not yogi convenient at all, and I mean at all. But those yogis, oh my God, later they became I was so proud of them, because they, in the midst of all of this noise, in the midst of all the chaos around us, they were so focused, so present, so disciplined, and they kept coming every Wednesday, every time, coming back. They never missed a class. it's incredible because sometimes we think that the yoga practice has to be practiced in this little Zen room with candles, with no noise, with Zen music. Sure, everybody can practice like that, but sometimes the true yoga is practiced when we are in the difficulties, in the midst of difficulties. Have had the music very loud and people around me in today's class, but maybe there was some beauty in that too. What we cannot change, we are the ones who need to change. Keep relaxing, relax the feet. Let yourself get very, very heavy. Imagine that your heart is like this light bulb, and it's illuminating the space where you are. This shining light all around. That's what you are. You are light. To recognize that light. And when you're ready, begin to move your toes, your fingers, everything, movement back into the body, roll over to your right side and come into your seat. Your comfortable sitting position. Let your body process your practice. Bring your palms together in a way of gratitude. Inhale, Namaste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Click like on the bell button to receive notifications when I upload a new video. Hit the like button, share, comment, and keep on loving. Remember that the world opens when you are open.